This is not magic. This is a science experiment. Remove the end of the empty bottle. Put another empty bottle like this, and you've created a blower. It's easy to live in the wild. Take the cap off the drink bottle. Put the bottle and the cap on your clothes and tighten them again. Do the same for the back. Then take a rope to tighten the bottom of the clothes fixed. Emergency life buoy is ready. Remove the head of the syringe. Insert it in the cap of the bottle. Push the plunger is a simple water fountain. Fish skin with boiling water can be easily torn off. Take off the top half of the empty bottle. Pinch it into a trapezoid shape. Put it on your phone and play the video. You can then watch 3D video. Try it with your kids. Fill the bottle with rice. Insert a wooden stick. The wooden stick can easily lift a whole bottle of rice. This is the force of friction. Put the straw into the water and fill it with water. Hang it upside down in the middle of 2 cups. You will see that the water in the cup becomes the same amount. This is the siphon phenomenon.